Well, if you found this video, you're having problems with your Browning BPS and the magazine tube with this spring retainer that Browning uses, where there's a rolled lip on the edge of the magazine tube, and getting this item out isn't that hard. You can just use a pair of snap ring pliers. It'll compress it down enough so you can get it out without damaging the end of this tube. Getting back in is a whole different problem, where I read a bunch of online forum stuff about guys that were even using a Dremel and cutting the ends of the retainer clip a little bit more, so they were able to compress this down to get it back in. And to me, that just seems stupid. So here's how I did it, believe it or not. Easy enough, just using a hose clamp, where I was able to put this around the retainer for the spring and compress it down enough, and then basically just get it over the top of the magazine tube. I was able to push it in just to get it past that rolled lip that's on here. You don't want to damage that. And then just using a regular gunsmith little mallet, was able to tap it in the rest of the way. And once it did that, it popped in past the rolled lip on here, and it's fine. So I don't know if you guys are having trouble with the other methods that were out there. Give this a try. Hopefully it works for you guys.